Samsung is cooking its next big update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra coming in June to improve the experience even better than ever. With this new update, Samsung brings one of the most important camera upgrade that they should have brought from the day that they announced this phone. Yes, Samsung has unlocked a brand new 2x button in the camera mode for photos as well as portrait mode and even videos. This is going to be a 2x crop of 50 megapixel resolution for the ultimate detail. Now let me tell you why this is going to be a pretty significant update, especially in portrait mode. You see, the strongest lens on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is its main lens that gets the most light, which makes it an ideal option when you're taking portrait mode photos in low light, but it's also too wide for that good portrait look. The second option is the 3x lens, which is great when you have a lot of light, but in low light setting, it's definitely not gonna get enough light as the main lens. So the new 2x option is the perfect middle balance for that portrait mode, especially in low light situation that looks natural as well. Thankfully, now this is finally coming to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Along with this, we're going to see some other massive improvements to the video performance as well as the HDR processing on the Galaxy S23 series. According to Ice Universe, it is a massive 1.5 gigs of updates. So slowly but surely, Samsung is unlocking the full potential of this ISOCELL HP2 sensor on the S23 Ultra. I hope to see these new changes coming to the S23 as well as the S23 Plus because they also have a high resolution main sensor. Again, we'll see everything when the update hits in the month of June. Also in the news, Samsung is preparing its next big unpacked event for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5. According to the recent rumors, July 26th could be the date for this unpacked event, with August 11th set to be the global release date. Recent case leaks have further confirmed the design of the Z Flip 5 as well as the Fold 5. So once again, we're pretty much getting almost no change to the Fold 5 when it comes to the look, while we have a big change to the Z Flip 5's outer screen. It's by far the biggest upgrade to the Z Flip line and it's looking incredible. I'm really looking forward to see how Samsung is going to maximize the usability of that big outer display. Plus, there's going to be a brand new hinge mechanism on both phones, making them lighter than before. So there's still some cool stuff to look forward to, but again, nothing too major when it comes to the Z Fold 5 especially. So yeah, that's all the latest news. Big updates coming to the S23 Ultra. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.